Hi guys, on this video we're going to do color detection. As you can see from the previous video, I was showing you how to access the camera using OpenCV. So we're going to write a code on top of this code. We're going to write the code on top of this code. So um, let's see. So we have I'm going to say under frame success. So we're going to convert the frame from RGB to HSV color space. Okay, so what we do, so we're going to say HSV and give it a space so that you understand what's going on. So HSV, so CV dot CVT color and frame. So this one is for our second frame, because remember on the previous video I was showing you how to display a single frame. So this one is gonna be an original frame and the other frame for a color detection. So the color that we're going to show is color blue. So CV2 color G GR or RGB, but for this one, because we need to write as it is from the OpenCV library, so I say space, say enter. Okay, then the next thing that we're going to do is to define the lower and the upper bound for the color blue. So we're going to define the lower and the upper bound for the color blue. So we say lower blue, and say lower blue, and then to say lower, and we say lower higher, upper or higher, and to say upper blue. So because of it's the light blue to NP, so this one go there as NP. NP, which is numpy, so array, array, and remember on RGB we have red, RGB, red, green, blue. So red, green, RGB, yes, red, green, blue. So but this one is not RGB, it's HSV. Yeah, so it's hue, saturation, and value. So I'm going to give it 50. These numbers represent colors. Give it space, and we say np dot array square bracket. So I'm going to put numbers for the upper bound. So 50, that 255, 255. Okay, so we're done with this part. Then The next part is we create a mask to filter out everything except the blue color. So meaning on the other frame, the second frame, we're going to filter everything. So meaning if that frame doesn't see blue, you're gonna see black, meaning it's gonna filter everything except blue. But when it sees blue, then that blue color it is gonna appear. So we say mask equals to CV2 in range and HSV lower blue, comma, upper blue. Okay, so give it space, space. Then what's the next step? Next step, uh, the next step is so we're going to do the mask using original color, not original color, original frame, which is so we only this one is the frame, that window or the frame for the blue only bitwise. Okay, so this one CV2 comma bitwise frame color mask equal to mask. Okay, so what's the next step? The next step now, because this part is going to show the other frame, which is it's going to show the other frame, two frames. The other one is for blue only, the other one it shows everything, show everything. So on this one we display both original frame and the blue only frame. So when we display the frames, so actually I've done that already. So this one is for original frame. That's why I wrote original. Let me take it up. Okay, so this one is for the original. So you say cv2.im show original. This is a title. Then you say a frame. Then this other one is cv2.im show. Show. So we give it a title. So we're going to say blue only. Blue only. So we say comma blue only. And yeah, blue only. Let's test. I don't see any error. And don't see. Let me switch on my camera. Okay, so the camera is on. So let's see. I run the code to see if it's working. Okay, yeah, it's working. So now this is original frame. Remember this is original frame. Display everything. I'm gonna just do this. This one is the blue only. It's only looking for blue. Let me do this. Let me do this. Okay. As you can see, I have a blue object, or it's a blue book. So when I go to the other frame, you see the blue. So the blue is appearing. Everything. It the blue only. It filters. It filtered everything except blue. So that's why I see blue, and you see it's very clear. You see? Okay. So let me try another object, the blue object. I can see a dustbin. See a dustbin. So this is a dustbin, the blue dustbin. So you see? Okay. Yeah, you see? The blue dustbin is appearing. Let's see. Let me do on the original. So it's the blue cup. So unless this blue is dark in a way that it sometimes it looks like it's black. This side, you see this side. But this side it's blue dark. Let me check. So you see this side it's very clear, but when I do this, it's like it's black. That's why it's doing that. You see this part. It's blue, it's dark blue, but it looks like it's black. But when I do that, it becomes blue. You can see it's blue. Let me go to this. Yeah, this one. See, it's a blue cup. Let me try blue. Let me try. I have a blue book. Power. Power. Check. Yeah, by Robert Greene. Okay, guys. Okay, so that's how you do color detection. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and click that like button, and please subscribe. See you on the next one.